Hello everyone. Not only mathematics, all subjects are the subjects which will be very interesting when you create your own question. Until and unless you go beyond the books, which is our slogan of the schools, you cannot do good in that particular subject. You cannot be very good in that particular subject, and you cannot learn something extra. So beyond the books, you have to study sometimes. In mathematics especially, you have to create your own questions, you have to think your own questions, you have to make your own questions. Okay. Whatever the questions I am explaining, it may not be related with the books, it may not you will find in your books. So the process which I used to tell that will be related with the topics, and with the help of that you can solve. And still I remember, I don't know when I used to explain all the exercise, but all the students, you all only used to solve the questions by yourself after explaining the topics, right? So this is the most important thing in study. In other subjects also, you need to try to answer by yourself. The answer need to be answered by yourself. You just learn the chapters from the teachers and try to answer by yourself. That will be the best answer. Even in exam also, you can see sometimes it is written that answer by your own words. So it should not be like रट्टा मार लिए और उसको हमने लिख दिया, ठीक है? कभी कभी तो मैंने देखा है मैथमेटिक्स में भी कोई रट्टा मार लेता है. I don't know what they used to remember or what they used to memorize. Okay, nothing is to memorize. You have to just understand the concept, then you can solve all the questions. So with that, let us discuss the next topic of our chapter, which is about the long division. Okay, so long division is not so much long in your class, but still you can create your own long math. Okay, long division. So here divide this first question I have taken, divide 351 by 9 and verify the result. So till now we have, in previous videos also we have learned how to verify the result. So nothing to worry about it. In case of that, you have to keep in mind that after dividing you have to verify anyhow, then only you will get the full marks. Otherwise you will get the half marks will be deducted. So here first we will divide this. Let us divide. So 351 divided by 9 is equal to, here you can do the round off. So 351 we are dividing by 9. So let us see, 9, 1 and 9. So 4 9 are 36. So 3 9 are 27. So this is also one of the most important thing. In case of first time when you are dividing, first time जब divide करते हो और अगर first digit नहीं लेता है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि इसके लिए भी आपको पहले जीरो देना है. तो पहले आप 2 डिजिट ले सकते हो, उस केस में पहले जीरो देने का कोई ये नहीं है, वैल्यू नहीं है. So in that case you are taking 2 digits. So 3 9 are 27, 4 9 are 36, so which is more than that. Okay. So 27, now we will subtract this. So 7 plus 7 you have to subtract from 15, right? So 7 from 15, 8, right? 7 to 14 plus 1, 15. So 8, right? So 8 and 2, 3 will be 2, so 2 to 0. So 0, 8. Now you can see, you can take 1 here. 9 9 are 81. So this is how this 2 will be 0. So here we got quotient 49, remainder 0. Okay. So just you have to check by multiplying this for the verification. So after dividing this we got 39 as the result. So let us verify this. Okay, let us verify this. Let's verify. So for verification we will just multiply this and this. Okay, so after multiplying divisor and quotient, if we got the dividend, and after multiplying divisor and quotient and after adding the remainder, if we are getting the dividend we can say our division is correct. So here the remainder we don't have, so just multiply this. So 39 multiply 9. So 39 multiply 9 is 9 9 are 81. So 1 8 carry 8 carry. So 9 3 are 18. Sorry, 9 3 are 27. 27 plus 8. So 27 plus 8. 27 plus 3 is 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Show 351. Which is the, you can see this is the dividend. Show this my division is correct. Show my verification is correct. This is the correct answer. Okay. So after finally you have to check after multiplying and adding the remainder, if this is coming, then your division is correct. Okay. So do rough work, do the clean work, fair work in your copy. I am doing this is how for the explanation. Okay. So don't do like circle and all in your copy. Okay. So now let us consider some examples from exercise 6.5. Okay, question number 17, 18, 19 and 20 I have taken. So question number 17, let's see first. We have 9, 6, 8, 0 that we have to divide by 8. So first one time here goes 8 1 are 8 1, then 6 8 2 are 16. So 0, then 8 1 are 8 0. So now the 0 which will be left, this will come here. So this is how the quotient will be 1080. How it will come here? Because if you take 0 also, so 8 0 times it will come 0. So this will be 0 only. So there is no any uses of writing this. Only you can keep in mind that if any any 0 is there, then this 0 will come in the quotient. That's all. So here it is not asking for verify. You have to just find the quotient only and remainder only. So here the quotient is 1 2 1 0. Okay. So this will be the answer. So here you can write that Q is equal to 1 2 1 0. Or sometimes you become if you become confused with the quotient and the quotient, there is no any confusion, so Q you can write. So let us see the next question which we have is 18. So 8004 divided by 16. Sorry, divided by 6. Okay. So 6 1 times 6 2 0. 3 times 18. Okay. So 2 again 0. So again 6 3 times 18. So again 2. Okay. So 4 24. 6 4 times. 6 4 times is 24. So 0. So here the quotient which we got is 1 3 3 4. Okay. Very easily this type of any division you can do and find the quotient. Let us see the next, which is question number 19 which we have. So 19 we have is 6006. This we have to divide by 7. Okay. So here 7 8 are 56. 7 9 are 63. So 7 8 times 56. So 56 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 6 5 0. So 4 is there. So again we will take 0. 7 6 are 42. So 7 5 are 35. So this is 5. This is 10. So 3 is 0. 5. Now 6. Then 7 8 times. 7 8 are 56. So 0. So 858 will be the quotient. So quotient is equal to 858. Very easily you can divide. So there is no any problem in this questions. You can very easily just subtracting, and after if you are knowing the table fluently, then you can find out. So let us see the 20 number question also, which it is asking 7 0 0 and 5. So 7 0 0 5. You want to divide this by 3. So 3 2 are 6, 1 7, right? And 0 will become here. So 3 3 are 9, 3 3 are 9, 1 10. So again 0 will come here. Again 3 3 are 9, 1 10 15. 3 5 are 15. So 0. So here the quotient you can see is 2 3 3 5. So 2335. So this is how very easily you can find the quotient of exercise 6.5. So if now talk about exercise 6.6, here also it is asking to find the quotient and remainder. So divide to find the quotient and remainder very simply, but here the division is maybe slightly confusing for the students who are not so much familiar with the division. Otherwise all the divisions are easy. So let us see with the question number 17, which we have 4 0 0 1. You have to divide by 3. So we know 3 1 are 3. So 1, then 0 will come here. So 3 3 are 9. Then 1, again 0 will come here. So again 3 3 are 9, 1. So 1 will come here. So again 3 3 are 9. So 2 will be the remainder. So this is how in this case you can say in question number 17 quotient is equal to 1333 and remainder is equal to 2. So these are the two things which we got in case of question number 17. Now let us talk about question number 18. 7 0 0 1. You are dividing by 8. So this is 7. So 7 is less than 8. So let us take 2 digits. So how many times it will go? 8 70. 8 8 are 64. 8 9 are 72. So 8 8 are 64. Let us take. So 64 means 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10. Then this is 6. So 0. Now again you have to take 0. So 60. Either you can write this also or not write also in the back. So nothing, there is no use of writing. So 0, 60, again how many times? 7 times. 7 8 are 56. 56. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So 4. Then 6 will be 5, 0. So 1 will carry now. 1 will come here. So now 8 times. How many times? 8 5 are 40. 8 5 times 40. So 1 is the remainder. So here the quotient is equal to 875 and remainder is equal to 1. So very easily like this you can solve this type of any questions. Very simply as like the normal division only we are doing. So nothing to worry about. Now let us see the question number 19 also, and one more question we have taken is 20 also, and check the answer. Everyone please note these all questions in your class of copy also, because these all will help you in doing the homework also. So now let us talk about question number 19, which we have is 6510. You have to divide by 9. So this first digit is less than 9, so you have to take 2 digits. Okay, if you are taking 2 digits, then you have to check the tables of 9. How many times 9 is equal to either this or less than this. It should not be more than this. Okay. So how many times? 9 9 are 81. 9 6 are 54. 9 7 are 63. Right. So let us take 7. 63. So 2 1. So now 21. 3 9 are 27. So 9 2 are 18. 18 3. Okay. So now 0 30. So 3 9 are 27. 4 9 are 36. So 3 9 are 27. So 27 30 minus 27 is 3. Okay. So here the quotient which we got is 723. So quotient we got is 723 and the remainder we got is 3. So this is the required answer of question number 19. Let us come to the question number 20. So if you talk about 20 we have 9008. So 9008, this we have to divide by 5. So if you divide this by 5, then let us see what will be the answer. So 5 times 1 will be 5. 4 9 0. So now 5 8 are 40. 0 0. So now this is the most important thing here to understand. Here 1 0 is there. So what you will do with that? So this 0 will take here. यहाँ पे ले लेंगे, ठीक है? Because यहाँ पे 0 आएगा तो 0 times 0 will be 0. Okay. After that 8 we have. So let us take 8. So 8 5 1 are 5 6 7 8 3. So here the quotient we got is 1801 and the remainder we got is 3. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान देने वाला यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा बात है ये कि जब 0 आ जा रहा है तो ये 0 हम लोग यहाँ पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो 5 0 टाइम्स विल बी 0 ओनली. तो इसीलिए डायरेक्टली हम लोग 0 को क्या किए यहाँ पे लिख दिए. ठीक है. और इसी तरह से इसका आंसर हम लोग ने निकाला. तो कोसाइन और रिमाइंडर हम लोग का जो है इस तरह से आया. Sometimes this type of word problem used to ask. कभी-कभी इस तरह का word problems में पूछा जाता है कि divide this by this. Very simply. तो simply हम लोग divide करेंगे. So 746 we will divide by 8. Okay. So 8 is greater than 7. So 7 is less than 8. So here one digit will not take. So 2 digit will take. So how many times 8? 8 8 are 64. 8 9 are 72. So 8 9 are 72. So 2 then 6. 3 8 are 24. So 2. So here the quotient will be 93 and remainder will be 2. This will be the required result in case of dividing 746 by 8. तो इस तरह से कोई भी नंबर यहाँ पे दिया हुआ रह सकता है. You have to divide by that particular number and you have to check the quotient and remainder. And in case of this you can verify also after getting the quotient for the verification. एग्जाम के टाइम में कभी-कभी होता है जो आप लोग जैसे ब्रिलियंट बच्चे होते हैं तो पहले ही सॉल्व करके सारा क्वेश्चन खत्म कर लेते हैं. तो जब आप एक बार गो थ्रू करते हैं पेपर्स को तो आप वेरीफाई करके चेक कर सकते हो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड एडिंग दिस इज द आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट. सो यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे तो देखिए 3 2 are 6 and 9 2 are 18. So 186 plus 2. So 188. Sorry, we have done something mistakes. Remainder को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. रिमाइंडर नहीं ना, लोग कोसेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करना. तो कोसेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे मतलब 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसको. So 8 3 are 24. So 4 2 carry. 8 9 are 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. So 744 plus 2 is 746. Which is this one. So this is how my division is correct. So now I can say you can do all the questions up to exercise 6.6, but in homework I am giving exercise 6.6 only. So your homework is exercise 6.6. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care and bye bye.